Intel next-gen Cobra core architecture for future x86 CPUs in the works focuses on higher performance and efficiency. Intel Cobra core to succeed Royal Core aiming next-gen x86 CPU with an architecture that focuses on higher performance and efficiency. Intel's x86 architecture design has seen quite a lot of change in the past few years. The company moved away from plain old monolithic design to leveraging hybrid architecture in the form of P and E cores with the start of its 12 Gen Alder Lake CPUs, which continued up till 13 and 14 Gen offerings. The company then moved to a tile chiplet based design leveraging various IPs based on a various processor, and the first product was launched very recently in the form of Meteor Lake. Now the company is moving towards a very new chiplet and tile heavy design process for its Lunar Lake, Arrow Lake and next gen Panther Lake chips. These will be the first in the process that will mark the shift towards a brand new x86 architecture known as Royal Cove. Royal Core, as has been rumored, the first product to fully implement the first generation of this new design is said to be Nova Lake, which is a 2627 product that launches on both mobile and desktop platforms. And if you compare here the Intel desktop CPUs generation comparison, where they use different architecture for their processes. They use the Intel 7 with the Golden Cove, but also in the 13 gen they use the Raptor Cove and the Grace Mode E cores, and in the refresh version they also use the same Raptor Cove P cores and Grace Mode E core processor. But the Arrow Lake they used TSMC N3P but with a question mark. They are using the Lion Cove and Sky Mode architecture with the GPU of XC1 Alchemist of 24 core and 24 thread with the LGA of 1851 and supporting the DDR5 memory. It is said that before leaving for Torrent, Jim Keller worked on at least two major architecture designs for Intel. Royal Cove core are said to be one of them, and the other is reportedly Ocean Cove core, though we don't hear about it anymore. Ocean Cove was revealed back in 2018, so it is likely that it was internal codename for a current generation of products and Royal Cove is its successor, but that's just speculation. Now, similarly to the previous leak, it is revealed that Intel is also working on another next generation core architecture which is called Cobra. The Cobra core are expected to be a new architecture for Intel's x86 CPUs that's focused on bringing more power efficiency and higher performance compared to other competitors on the market. It isn't told what specific families this new Cobra core will land inside, but it is likely going to be after the Royal Core variant, which, as we mentioned above, began with Nova Lake. The leak over the gamma burst also showcases a visual roadmap that is based entirely on speculation based on employee profile and recent rumor. According to that, Panther Lake, the follow-up to the Arrow Lake, will utilize Cougar Cove P core and Dark Mount E core, while Nova Lake, which replaces Panther Lake, will utilize Panther Cove P cores and Arctic Wolf E cores. And these are some of the leaks, as they mentioned. For Core 200, they are using the Lion Cove plus Sky Mode. Also, they are considering to use the new architecture of the Redwood Cove plus Crescent Mode or Lion Cove with the Sky Mode, but with a big question mark and not sure. These are the rumors, so you can take it with a pinch of salt. It will be interesting to see how Intel involves its next generation x86 core architectures, especially with CPU families beyond Nova Lake. It will be a few years before we see these action, so let's wait and see how everything goes in the future.